Meteorologist Ross Whitley with your first alert forecast.
Last week, all week long, we talked about the gorgeous weather and how it would last into this week, and we're starting off with that. We do have a cold front on the way. It'll be passing through in the morning hours tomorrow, and between now and then, the wind is going to be out of the west and southwest. That's going to be building the surf. We had yellow flags across the board today and still purple being reported in Walton County, thanks to jellyfish at least reported around the area. We may see single red tomorrow because wave heights are going to be on the way up with that wind out of the west, eventually out of the north and west by the afternoon hours. That should start to knock that surf down as we get into the middle of the week, and that should improve whatever surf does build over the next 12 hours or so. Air quality back on the good side. The pollen count back to the very high category. Top allergens, hickory, juniper, and oak at the moment. Grass is getting knocked off that top pedestal, at least for the moment, probably just because it's a little too dry. We do have some moisture returning, but you're going to have to wait until we get there. 73 for the temperature as we go through the rest of this evening. Pretty much a summertime type of pattern with the wind out of the west and southwest. Cloud cover builds in with the cold front, but really no chances at any kind of shower activity, just like last week with that dry frontal boundary. If the boundary stalls across our area late in the day, we may squeeze out a shower or a thunderstorm late in the afternoon right along that sea breeze. So that would favor northern portion of the Choctawhatchee Bay, northern portion of West Bay and North Bay, and then right along that boundary, northern Calhoun, southern Liberty, and northern Franklin County. If we're going to squeeze out a shower or storm tomorrow, that's where it will happen. By the evening hours, should be nice and warm and see the sunshine returning with the wind out of the north. And then tomorrow night, cool once again. Inland areas could fall down into the lower 40s. Our coastal areas holding on to 50. Should be a gorgeous day for your Wednesday. Once again, talking about some beautiful weather, but unfortunately for us, this high pressure that we just keep getting reinforced is going to start to slide off to the east, and this time it's not going to be reinforced. It's just going to start to build a summer pattern. So it's going to start to strengthen, which means warmer weather is on the way. 64 to 57 overnight tonight. Breezy conditions with the wind out of the south and west. We hold on to that, eventually transitioning to the west after the front moves through. Still should climb to nearly 80 in a lot of locations. 73 right along the coast, about 80 from Blunt's down to Marietta. Nice and dry on the radar. You can't see some prescribed burn smoke across the area, but that is about it as we go throughout this week. Cold front number one, there you go, crashing through on Tuesday again. Maybe a stray shower, but that's it. High pressure slides off to the east, and as it does, we're going to start to see the influence off of the Gulf, which means higher dew points, eventually enough moisture that with the heating of the day, we may even pick out a stray shower or a thunderstorm. If you're eyeballing next Sunday and Monday along the coast, you can pick out the words sea breeze, which is typical in the summertime where our sea breeze is enough of a catalyst to get a pop-up shower or storm. And it looks like we could see that pattern start to even develop by the time we get into next week. So no real big weather issues on the way, and some really nice weather between now and next week, just slowly building to more summer-like. Not a whole lot of complaints.
Yeah, we kind of need the rain though, right?
Yeah, we can take some rain. It looks like right about the time we're really going to need it, we start to get those chances back. So that's some good news.
All right. Thanks, Ross.